Hey y'all, what's going on? It's me. I'm on the train right now heading home from work. It's a beautiful day here in Portland. Sun's about to go down. It was quite beautiful today. Probably the nicest weather of the week for us here. We've got some nice weather ahead, but just real grateful to be here in this life. And it wasn't an easy morning for me. I was very tired and my body ached for some reason. I don't know why, but right now I feel pretty good. I've got a little kombucha here from Wildland. I like them a lot. Local Portland kombuchery. And something about riding on public transit that makes life cool, makes you feel relaxed a little bit, and just letting someone else do the drive-in for you. And I'm on the light rail train here, the Max light rail, going up to Woodstock, and then I'm heading home. Watching a lot of videos lately about breath work and DMT and natural healing, and I've been really focused on these topics a lot lately, and I'm really looking forward to traveling again soon, within the next 6 months hopefully. I want to get back down to South America, so anybody in South America is watching this, I'd love to come see you. Give me a shout. Yeah, it's just been a real good day. That's all. I just wanted to check in and let you know that life's great and I love being alive, and I hope you do too. Gratitude keeps you happy. Peace.